So I'm here at the climbing gym. It's gonna be a climbing vlog, but I think as I've been traveling, I found like some ways to meet people, and I think climbing is one of those ways to meet people as you travel. I'll tell you why as we go through this video, but now I need to, I guess, start climbing and warming up, so let's warm up.
Yeah, we taking off, I don't be fly. I got the sauce, you got the spice. Time ain't an issue with you, it's a virtue. Don't worry about anything, I'm right beside you this night. Comfort like memory, it's you and I, nobody else. No, I ain't bad at kiss and tell. I wanna get to know every inch of you. Wanna see where you been, where you from. It's on your waist, yeah, now I got a taste. I don't wanna rush you. We in the air, it's an option, but wouldn't it be sad if we left this? We got chemistry, the way you look, I see.
I think last time it like I know my calluses are pretty thick right now, but it like took off everything. Yeah. So I'm like working on this V5 here. That was awe. You saw it earlier. There's like so many people at this gym. It's like a nice little community. I'm at Alpine Post right now here in Chiang Mai. There's not that many climbing gyms here in Chiang Mai. This is like one of the big ones here. They have a community that's pretty close knit. But I'm working on this V5 right here. So I'm gonna try right now.
Okay. Let me say this.
Do you wanna work on the V7 with me? Yeah.
I know you wanna do more. Say less. You can stay the night. You don't gotta go. We could take this.
That was so hard. It's very hard.
No need to be lonely. Let me take you on this ride. No need to be shy, girl. We in the air, it's an option, but wouldn't it be
This is the owner.
Not owner, just regular climber.
That's right, that's right. She's like one of the strongest climbers here though. We're working on this V5 here. Oh, yeah, show us the good beta.
The good beta?
Yeah.
You know the good beta. No.
No, oh, you had it. Yeah, we're doing like this V5 plus, kind of nice, or knee bar there. Go here. But then like it's this part that's the tough part.
No, every part is tough.
Okay, that's fine. That's right. The V5 is so tough. Yeah, we just gave up on the V7 though. Oh. Oh, you're so close.
So far.
Kinda though. Break time? Alright. Yeah, to pick up where I left off, I think climbing gyms in particular kind of foster an environment where people can meet. Like you're all working on your problems, but you could work together on them. And then they all cheer you on. It's pretty cool. And usually people who climb, they just naturally just want to figure out how to solve these problems. So they're willing to talk to one another and just work on it. And then that kind of just in itself allows people to talk more about other stuff than just climbing. Let's get this V4 right now.
Yeah. Would it be cool to say?
That's a fun.
Yeah, intuition, just wanna follow intuition. All my senses tell me I know what you've been thinking. I've been feeling, what if we got up, left this party? Cause I can see you're probably gonna be scrolling feeds all night long. And your friends are drunk, and the DJ keeps playing the same songs, and time isn't moving along.
Yeah, I just finished up climbing here, Alpine Post. The grade system's pretty nice. I think it's pretty true to V-Scale as I've been to other gyms. And they have a nice community too. And like I was saying earlier, like I think climbing is a good way to make friends and meet people just because of the gym, so, and the nature of the sport. So I'm gonna go ask Mao, who is the woman you saw earlier who I said who was the owner. So I wonder if she has to say the same thing too. Do you want to talk in my vlog? Oh, do it. It's just like, do you think like climbing is a good way to meet people?
Yeah, I think climbing is a good way to meet people. We get the coolest people here. For example, this guy.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, from all over the world, like all walks of life. Yeah, we share the same interests. Yeah.
All right, thanks. Oh, this is the second owner, Mute.
The owner over there.
Oh, this is the actual owner though. Yeah, this is the owner, Jed. I've only heard your name from a lot of people. Tej. Sorry. So Tej is the owner here. Do you think like gyms here or gyms in general, climbing gyms, allow people to like meet new people and kind of foster that type of environment?
Yeah, definitely. I think it's one of those environments where it kind of gets people to collaborate, hang out. I think it's a very social sport. It also helps that, somebody kind of climbs for a bit, then they have to come down and sit, and somebody else gets to watch you, give you beta, you end up connecting with people. And it's like a really positive environment. I don't know what created that. It just, naturally evolved, because if you compare it to other sort of strength type gyms, like for example CrossFit, for whatever reason, I know they want to be social, and a lot of them are social, but none of them can match the kind of the camaraderie that you get in a bouldering gym, especially a smaller one where everybody knows each other and it's more inclusive and just kind of fun. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay, cheers.
I was just wondering if you have an opinion about maybe what about climbing and climbing gyms allows people to meet together and become friends or build relationships.
Even though like in Chiang Mai, we met each other in climbing gym. Then we just keep in touch. And then when Tej like start a gym, so invite him to come and join, like help the route setting. So and then he start kind of like I think first original route setter here. Yeah. Not need noi, really mean a lot. Like and he's a big model here, like for sandbag, sandbag Japanese style.
After that, I got to Japan.
And then
2 year pass.
2 year pass.
Like temporary. Just
Temporary.
vacation. And
Right now he visit like here 1 week for vacation. So yeah.
All right, thank you.
Coming, the main thing.
Oh.
สวัสดีค่ะ
On my own, I am strong, I am finally where I belong. On my own, I am made it a long way from home. On my own, I can do anything.
All right, so we're here in Taiwan, in Taipei. This is a continuation of the video in Thailand. So just want to show you all it's possible to make friends, even climbing. So I'm gonna go up to the front desk. I think the front desk people are always the best people to talk to. Show you all it's possible to make friends after getting that advice from those people in Thailand. So let's go. All right, what's up?
Hi,
Where are you from, I guess?
where I'm from? I'm from. This is a hard question. You literally asked a very complicated question, but I grew up in the States, yeah, but I'm Taiwanese. My parents are Taiwanese.